Have you ever wondered why cooks and kitchen workers are so careful about washing their hands, cleaning their counters, and keeping certain foods apart? It's all because of a science secret called cross-contamination. Let's explore why stopping cross-contamination is so important in keeping our food safe. Imagine you are making a sandwich. You take a piece of bread, spread some mayonnaise, add lettuce, and then some slices of turkey. Before you know it, your delicious sandwich is ready. But what if, just before making your sandwich, you used the same knife to cut raw chicken and didn't wash it? Invisible germs from the raw chicken could travel on the knife and end up on your sandwich. Those germs can make you sick if you eat them. Cross-contamination happens when bacteria or other tiny things that can make you sick are spread from one food, surface, or person to another. It's like sneaky hitchhikers that love to ride along on kitchen tools, hands, or even kitchen towels. If they get into food that will be eaten without cooking, they don't get destroyed and people can get food poisoning. Food poisoning isn't just about feeling sick. It can cause stomach aches, vomiting, and sometimes be dangerous, especially for young children, elderly people, or anyone with a weak immune system. That's why chefs and cooks follow strict cleaning rules to keep everyone healthy and happy. Preventing cross-contamination is simple if you remember some special steps. Always wash your hands before and after touching food, especially after handling raw meat, poultry, or fish. Use separate cutting boards and utensils for raw and cooked foods. Make sure counters and surfaces are cleaned regularly and never put cooked food back on a plate that held raw food. If you've ever seen a food inspector at a restaurant, they are looking to see that these important rules are being followed. Their job is to help stop cross-contamination, ensuring every meal served is safe for people to eat. Scientists have discovered that most foodborne illnesses come from bacteria and viruses that are transferred through cross-contamination. Many years ago, people didn't realize how easily germs could move from one place to another in the kitchen. Thanks to scientific discoveries, we now have better ways to protect ourselves and our families. Next time you help prepare a meal, remember the science of cross-contamination prevention. Wash your hands, keep foods apart, and clean up after yourself. It's like being a food safety detective, stopping germs before they can cause trouble. With a bit of science and care, we can all enjoy tasty, healthy meals together.